What's up, creators? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about $1 photo effects, and I got somebody very special with me today. Where's he at? Joe Moore.
Hey guys.
Alright, so today we're talking about $1 photo effects. I went to Dollar Tree and I got a couple different things and took photos using these in front of my camera lens to make these effects. But like I said before in the intro, today we have Joe Moore here that is a content creator, and he's also 2 Chainz's personal photographer. I'm gonna let you guys talk to him for a minute. I'm gonna let him explain to you guys why photo effects or effects on your photo are important.
Okay guys, so you're trying to create a style that people can associate with you, your photos, and your brand. So when you use effects, it helps create the photo style, and the only way to be able to get a style is to test effects. The only way to be able to do that is to test out a whole bunch of effects or props, basically anything that can help create the style through the effects. Yo, that lighting is good.
Wait, tell them what you do.
Guys, so as C. Ryan was telling you, I am a full-time content creator, and I am also 2 Chainz's personal photographer and videographer. And I also work with artists like Lil Durk. I've been working with 2 Chainz for over the last 4 years, and I've taken thousands and thousands and thousands of photos, and during that time I have been able to create my own style through taking all of those photos and trying out different things. But I wish I had somebody like Creative Ryan to show me some cheap ways to create effects, so I'm gonna let him go ahead and tell you all how to make those effects and what you can use to create effects cheap. I think he told me $1?
Yeah.
He can create effects. You can't create effects with $1.
Let me show you. All right, so a few weeks ago I took a trip out, got an Airbnb, a cabin out in the woods, me and my girl, and we actually went to the Dollar Tree and we picked up a few things where we could actually put in front of our lens and create some effects. So I'm gonna take it back right here to show you guys what happened. All right, I don't know yet what we're gonna pick up. We're gonna see what we can find in here. Ooh, confetti. You know, we can do the throwback, what we did in like that old vlog. All right, get that. So we got sparklers, we got confetti. There's tons of other things in here. I just don't feel like spending too much time in here right now. So found this picture frame. I'm gonna get this frame and maybe something, maybe like a spray water bottle. Make some fake rain, you know what I'm talking about? Look at what we found. We're gonna get one of these. We're gonna get this. All right, so we got a ton of different things. Spray bottle, a little bag, sparklers, confetti, blah, 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 blah. Hey, get it. Ooh, yeah. So we ended up getting some confetti. They had it in there for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and basically what I did was boost up my shutter, and I got my girlfriend to put it in her hands and blow it out, snap, snap, snap at a high shutter rate so we could get all the different pictures and frames, and we came out with this one right here. So that was pretty cool. Now on to the next. What we also did was we got a picture frame. We took out the glass from the picture frame, threw everything else away, and we sprayed water onto the glass and got her to hold it in front of her face, and this is what we came up with right here. We were also in the kids area looking around because I do have a son, and we found this little purple bag where you keep like pencils or anything in. It was like a pencil bag. It was purple. I actually cut it open and put it around the actual lens frame and took some pictures, and this is what we came up with right here. Last but not least, they had sparklers in there for $1. Sparklers are always cool, even for music videos, video, photo, anything. You can always make a cool effect with sparklers, whether you put it in front of the lens or you actually have your subject holding them in front of their face or around their face, any type of way. Let me show you a couple of those pictures right here. So this was a super quick video. I just wanted to show you guys a couple ways that you could actually add some effects to your photos for only $1, man. Be creative, get out there, go to Walmart, go to Big Lots, go to the Dollar Tree, go to different places and just kind of be thinking about it when you're looking and shopping around for things that could actually be cool effects on your photos or your video.
Hey, I'm gonna use some of those.
You're gonna use some? All right, but yeah, they're all pretty cool, man. They're all simple ways, and if you go to the dollar store, they're only $1, so spend $1 and make some cool photos, man. And make sure that you tag me on Instagram. If you post them, tag me. Let me know if you use the effect that I used or whatever the case may be. If you enjoyed this video, slap that like button, man. If you enjoyed Joe being featured in the video, slap that like button, man. Drop a comment. Let us know which pictures you kind of like the most, whether it was the confetti, the rain, the purple bag, or the sparklers, man. Just let me know something down below. Drop a comment, man, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.